Today's topic is algebra expressions. Onwards, first question I will explain. The question is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. First step, we have to separate what are the variables and what are the constants. X by 2 minus x by 3 equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. We have to take LCM 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 2 and 3 LCM is 6 equals to 4 and 5 LCM is 20. Into how many times 6 will divide? That's 3 times. That's why I written 3x equals to, in 3 table how many times 6 will multiply? That's why 2. 3 2 is 6. 2x equals to 5 plus 2 by 20. 3 onwards 2 cancel means 1x by 6 equals to 5 plus 2 7 by 20. We have to cross multiplication. We have to do 1x into 20 equals 20x equals to 7 6 are 42. X equals to 42 by 20. 21 ja 22.1 ja. X equals to 2.1. First question answer is 2.1. The second question is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equals to 21. We have to take here LCM. The LCM is 12. 12 by 6 2s are 2. 2n. 4 and 4 8. 4 3s are 9n plus 10n equals to 21. 9 onwards 2 cancel means 7n plus 10n by 12 equals to 21. 10 and 7 plus means 17n by 12 equals to 21 by 1. We have to cross multiplication. 17n into 1. 17n only it will come. Into 21 equals to 200. And equals to 252 by 17. The third question is, the second question answer is 252 by 17. Third question is x minus 5 by 3 equals to x minus 3 by 5. We have to separate it. First x by 3 minus 5 by 3 equals to x by 5 minus 3 by 5. We have to separate what are the constant and what are the numbers. X by 3 plus, if it will come to RHS side means minus 5 equals to 3 by 5 plus 5 by 3. 5 and 3 LCM is 15. This one 15. 5x minus 3x by 3 plus 5. 8 by 15. 5. We have to subtraction. We have to do 2x 15. 15 cancel. X equals to 8 by 2. We can cancel 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. X equals to 4. Third one answer is 4. Thank you. Second question is 15 bracket y minus 4 minus 2y minus 9 plus 5y plus 6 equals to 0. Bracket meaning what is it? Multiplication. 15 into y, 15y minus 15 4 ja 60. Bracket minus 2 into y, 2y minus 2 9 ja 18. Bracket plus 5y, 5 into y, 5y plus 5 6 ja 30. Bracket equals 60. We have to separate constant and variables. 15y minus 2y plus plus that plus 5y equals to 0 minus 30 plus having it, if it will go to RHS side means minus 30, 18 is there, minus plus having plus it will go to RHS side means minus 18, minus plus it will go to RHS side means 60, here minus plus having, that's why 15 onwards to minus means 13y plus 5y equals to minus 48, minus plus 30 plus 18 equals to 48 plus 60, 13y plus 5y equals to 18y equals to plus minus 60 onwards 48 minus means 12, y equals to 12 by 18, we can cancel 2's and 3 equals to 2 by 3. Second one, sum answer is 2 by 3. Thank you.